Hi guys, today I'm going to take you through a new tool which is called PodShorts. We'll go through the introduction, PodShorts in 4 steps, 7 AI agents, features, 6 bonuses, pricing, and final verdict of this AI tool. Now, this AI tool was launched on 25th of August, Tuesday, and the launch is going to end on Monday, August 31st, 2026. There was a live webinar, there was a live event which happened on the 25th of August itself. I will mention the webinar link in the description. If you have any doubts, if you have any concerns about this AI tool, you can simply check the link in the description of this webinar replay. Now let's get started with PodShorts AI. What if you could launch your own AI powered podcast, create full episodes, turn them into dozens of short form videos, and publish them across YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok without recording yourself or spending hours editing? That's exactly what PodShots is designed to do. In this video, I'll show you what it actually does, what you get for the launch price, and whether it's worth buying before you make decision. So let me tell you more about this AI tool. PodShots is an AI-powered podcast content machine that can create AI hosts, generate complete podcast episodes, automatically turn them into caption short form clips, create platform specific variations, and schedule them to YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. It combines 7 AI agents covering everything from trend research and show creation to clipping, publishing, and monetization, making it possible to build and manage a podcast style content channel without traditional recording or editing. So you only have to follow 4 simple steps. Step number 1, pick your niche and cast your host. 60 seconds, it takes 60 seconds for you just to do that. Step number 2, type a topic or steal one that's already winning. Step number 3, the machine performs cuts, captions, and post without you. And step number 4, strangers arrive, clicks land, your dashboard turns green. You can simply click on this option, you can get access to PodShots AI. So guys, this is how the dashboard looks like. You can simply click on the link in description. I'll mention the link. You can click on it and you can check the demo video for yourself. Now let's take you through the 7 AI agents. The first one is Trend Radar, which hunts down what your niche is obsessed with. Second one is Cast Studio, which will cast, host people fall in love with, ready-made AI personalities, or your face and voice cloned once. Third one is Showforge, which writes and performs the episode. Fourth one is Clip Genie, which slices every episode into a stack of viral ready clips. Then we have the variation engine, which makes every post unique on every platform. And we have Autocast, which publishes to TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube daily. And the last one we have is Profit Ruto. It will turn attention into income, monetize bio page live from day one. So these are some pre-made templates. You can see how the AI will create short form videos for you. You can go through all these examples by clicking on the link in the description. Now let's talk about the feature. The first feature that we have, your show and brand built for you. Then viral intelligence. The episode engine, you can go through all these pointers by yourself. I'm not taking you through the pointers. The clip factory, auto clip viral clips, burned in captions, per clip virality score, right cleared music. Then we have reach protection, the feature nobody else has, the viral engine, pre-published fingerprint check, staggered post timing, Then we have autopilot publishing, direct publishing to TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, drip scheduling, automatic AI content labels, automatization, niche matched offer library, automatic offer rotation. Then we have the command center, the money dashboard, best performer intelligence, mobile friendly dashboard. All this you get once you have access to this PodShorts AI tool. Now let's quickly go through the bonuses. We have 6 bonuses. The first bonus is the first commission fast track with the value of $147. The second bonus is 50 proven show niches rated and ranked $97. Then we have bonus number 3, the viral hook vault with a value of $97. Bonus number 4 is commercial rights license with a value of $197. And bonus number 5 is the show owners community with a value of $97. And the last one which we have is the clip Money Masterclass with a value of $197. So total bonus value is $832, which will be free during the launch. If you purchase this AI tool during the launch period, you will get all these bonuses with all these tools, with all these features for free. You can simply click on this option. You can get instant access to PodShorts AI with a 14-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied, if you're not happy with the outcome, you can simply reach out to the customer support and you can get every single penny back to your account. Lastly, we will go through the pricing of this AI tool. PodShorts Premium will cost you $37, wherein you will get access to all these features along with some fast action bonuses. You can click on this link and you can just purchase this AI tool. And we also have the best value bundle, which is PodShorts bundle, which will cost you $317. Everything in Premium Plus. You will get all these features, agency, then you get coaches, then you can amplify, plus features just in $317. You can click on this option, you can just get access to this AI tool. Now, if you're looking for an easier way to create podcast style content without recording yourself, editing every clip, or managing multiple publishing tools, PodShorts is definitely worth considering. The big advantage is that it brings show creation, AI host, clipping, captions, publishing, and monetization features in one platform. Of course, it's not a magic button for guaranteed views or income. Your niche, content quality, and consistency still matters. But if you want to test this model while the current launch offer is available, I think it's worth taking a serious look. If you want to check out PodShorts for yourself, I will mention the webinar link in the description. You can just simply go through the webinar. It's a recorded video. And also I will leave the link in description. For the sales page, you can simply go through the sales page. You can check the demo video. You can go through each and every information mentioned on the sales page and go ahead and take a look at the current offer and see if it fits what you're trying to build. Just keep in mind that launch pricing and bonuses can change, so check the page before you buy. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.